In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Blender unsupported graphic card or driver 4.3. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Check minimum requirements. First, confirm that your graphic card meets the minimum requirement for Blender. You can find these on the Blender website or within the Blender application itself. Step number 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a common problem. Visit your graphic card manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers compatible with your operating system. Perform a clean installation by checking the clean installation option during the installation process. Step number 3. Verify OpenGL version. Blender require OpenGL 4.3 or higher. You can check your OpenGL version using various tools available online or through your graphics card control panel. If it is not 4.3 or higher, driver updates might resolve it. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.